Hey, this is Steve from Hurst Performance Products, and today I'm going to show you how to refresh and adjust your Hurst Competition Plus shifter. Over time, the Hurst shifter may become the victim of wear and tear. Signs of wear and tear could be excess slop in your shifter handle, possible misshifts, or your linkage simply hanging up. Now today, with a few simple tricks, I'm going to show you how to bring new life back to your old Hurst shifter. The first thing I would do is check the bushings inside your shift arms. Now these bushings may simply wear out, dry out over time, and they could just fall out. If they do, your shift rod is now going to float inside that shift arm and give you excess slop. Now Hurst Performance Products offers a pit pack that's going to come with new bushings and new clips. Now there's two options for a Hurst pit pack. There's going to be the standard nylon bushings that come equipped with your Hurst Competition Plus shifter. Now these are going to give you a nice quiet, smooth shift and also reduce the shift vibration up to your handle. Now the other option for a Hurst Performance Pit Pack is going to be the steel bushings. Now the steel bushings will last a lot longer than the nylon bushings, but may transfer a little bit more vibration up to the shifter handle. Now I'm ready to go ahead and put on a new pit pack in our old Hurst shifter, and I'll also show you how to properly adjust your shift rods along with your shift stops. Alright, we got a Muncie M20 transmission here off a 68 Camaro. We went ahead and already removed the rods off the shifter. And the first step you want to do is make sure that your reverse is not in reverse, and then that your shift rod arms are all in neutral. So we're going to go ahead and just push these forward. So there's a gear. Going back, that's a neutral. That's a gear. So that's the neutral position. Same with the front one here. There's a gear. That's a neutral. There's a gear. So we're going to go ahead and put this in neutral. So now that our 3-4 is in neutral and our 1-2 is in neutral, now here's the reverse. You can feel it. That's the reverse. We're going to go ahead and push it forward. Now it's not in reverse. Now the next step here is make sure that the arms that are coming off the Hurst shifter here, these are all lined up kind of in a row. Now when you got your Hurst shifter, it would have came with an alignment tool. If you don't have an alignment tool, you can probably find something that goes in here, but basically you want to line up all these arms so this thing goes all the way and hits the stop at the back. So now the shifter's in neutral, all the arms are in neutral, and now we got all these other shift arms here are in neutral. Now the first shift rod we're going to go ahead and put on is going to be the reverse rod, which is going to go from here to here. The next we're going to work on is the 1-2, which is going to go right here. And then we got the 3-4, which is going to go right here. So we'll go ahead and start with the reverse one. We're going to go ahead and put on the nylon bushings. Now the first one here is going to go on the back side of the shift arm here on the transmission. Go ahead and put our linkage through. And then go ahead and secure it down with a clip. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on the bushing onto the reverse arm. That's going to go on the back side. Now your linkage, you want to make sure this thing is adjusted to where this just falls into place right here. So we're going to adjust it a little bit. Now you can see the arm just falls right in. Now we're going to go ahead and put on a clip and hold it in place. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put the 1-2 rod, which should go from here to here. Now this one here, we want to go ahead and pull it back into gear and install the new bushing on the back side here. Take the shift rod and go ahead and push it through. Now click it into neutral and then go ahead and install the clip. Okay. All right, we're going to install the new bushing here. Again, you want to adjust this to where it just falls in and out. So I'm going to screw this out a little bit. And then go ahead and take our shift rod. Again, you want to adjust this to where it just falls in and out. I'll go ahead and put on the clip. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the 3-4 shift rod. It's going to go from here to right here. Go ahead and put on the new bushing. Shift rod through. We'll go ahead and attach a clip. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and install another new bushing here. And again, you're going to have to adjust this to where it just falls in and out of the hole. Screw it in a little bit more. Okay. Now you can see it just goes right in. Now I'll go ahead and put a clip on. Okay. All right, we got our shift rod reinstalled along with our new bushings. Our shift arms are in the neutral position along with the shifter being in the neutral position. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the guide pin. Okay. Got our guide pin out of the way. Now we want to go ahead and make sure it goes through the gears. So we're going to go ahead and put it first. Perfect. Second. Awesome. Just push forward. Third. Yep. Fourth. Perfect. Now we're going to go over and up for reverse. Awesome. Reverse works great. Now that we made our adjustment and changed out those bushings with the Hurst Pit Pack, you can see how much tighter, more accurate the shift points are. So next time you're going through those gears in your favorite muscle car, you can shift with confidence. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Hurst YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.